watching it.
Hop on? Yep. Where'd I hold on to?
Oh, yeah, wherever.
Here?
Yeah. They just these weren't here because of the rain.
Yeah.
And for the beginners, it's kind of hard if you get stuck in there.
Oh yeah.
Today we're going to try something a little bit different. I'm riding north on Interstate 5 to Gorman, California. Our first stop is Gorman Motorsport Rentals, where we'll rent some dirt bikes and then take them to Hungry Valley to ride some trails. We're here at Gorman Motorsports, motorcycle rentals. Got Stu, what it do? Let's check out the sign over here. There it is, guys. Gorman Motorsport Rentals, and looks like they got all the bikes over here. You can go check them out.
Yellow wire away, yellow.
Yeah.
But yeah,
That's so cool. It's great. You got it like pre-mudded up too.
yeah, man. This has been.
This is the aesthetic, I love it.
Yeah, I tore it all apart, the whole thing, all the way down to the frame. And when I did get it powder coated, I threw the frame in a backpack and strapped the swing arm or the subframe to the back of my bike, and
It's less than a 2-mile ride to the Hungry Valley State Vehicular Recreation Area. And the good thing is, the guys at Gorman Motorsport are already on their way to drop off the dirt bikes. Cool. If you're concerned about the ride in and whether or not your motorcycle can make it, you don't have to worry because the road is mainly paved. Aside from some spots where there's some dirt, but that makes it fun as long as you don't squeeze the front brake. Alright y'all, we made it. Yeah. Made it on the Harley Davidson. Maybe we'll take it up on these trails, we'll see.
I know, is there any easy trails I could maybe take this on? No?
Not really.
Don't even try it? I was looking at just that right there, going through there.
Yeah, there's a few like deep ruts with the gate.
Oh yeah?
The rain's washed down. And
oh, the gate, huh?
Yeah. You don't want to drop it, you'll wreck your bags.
Yeah.
You can ride mine a bit if you want, or one of the others.
I mean, if I could take one of these, that would be cool.
Yeah, I don't know who's saying.
This is Joe Grima, the coolest Australian guy I've ever met. And he's basically telling me it's a horrible idea to take this Harley on the dirt trails. So I'm going to saddle up with him and see what it's like to ride on a dirt bike before I try one out.
I know, there's no way to hold on.
There's no cool way to hold on to this.
I like that sound.
Yeah, John, we're going.
Us two in these G's, diamonds on my feet, caught up in these talks, circling my head off. Should've been more cautious. Now I got what I wanted. Many of it here before, made it out of loving more. Like my phone codex, so I can't stop. I want it all. Listen up, I'm calling you. I need you to tell the truth. Remember when you wanted to. Remember that I said what you.
These weren't here because of the rain.
Yeah.
And for the beginners, it's kind of hard if you get stuck in there.
Oh yeah.
Go over the handlebars. That's what I was just thinking for your Harley. Like, because the street tires, you'll slide.
And then I end up
Because
in
the
there.
bike's
Huh?
heavy, it'll want to slide towards that.
It will.
And then you'll never get out.
Oh shit.
That's the only reason. I know you can ride all this.
Yeah.
Which you'll be able to if the rain goes. It's not too bad. Just gotta not hit those.
All right, guys. It looks like we're on a little Honda CRF 230F. About to ride with these boys. This is gonna be fun, man. I'm glad I got one of these and didn't have to like destroy my Harley. This is so fun. I gotta invest in some dirt bike gear. Woo! Wearing white pants. Woo! A little slipper. The last time I went off-roading was on Brian's Grom. That was super fun. I think I ate shit on that one. Oh my god. Yeah! Holy crap! That's crazy, yo! Alright, time to roll out. Good? You got to be comfortable with a little bit of slippage. Got to go up that thing? Woo! We did it! I tell you what, I'm glad I didn't bring the Harley. Man, these little 250s are so fun. Who would... I'm gonna have to get one. Alright.
Yeah, they're killing it. For the first time? Nice. Well done.
What an amazing day of riding, and big thank you to Joe Grima for leading this ride, and for teaching us some of the basic skills of navigating these dirt trails on dirt bikes. This opened my eyes to a whole new world of motorcycling, and I think it's time for me to get a dirt bike. Thank you guys for supporting my adventures by liking these videos and subscribing to my channel. Right now, I'm open to some recommendations for a decent dirt bike. But until next time, ride safe. Peace.